I'm Matt Magnone, and my entire life I've been obsessed with the claw machine. After buying my own and studying it from the inside out, I now try to win as much stuff as I can. This is my journey. What's up, guys? We are here at a new Kmart, actually. We're going to be trying the Sugarloaf here, so here we go. I noticed these guys are literally like right on the edge, so I'm just going to drop it right here and see if I can knock them in. There's a duck. Wow, that's one of the lovebirds that I reviewed, actually. This guy's a happy bird. Lovebird, happy bird, every bird. Here we go. Deploy claw. Come on, baby. Oh, it lifted him up a little bit.
Matthew, quit it.
Matthew. You know what you have to do is you have to actually drop the claw a little bit this way, not directly over him, because that way the claw weight is going to push him in. So let's try that strategy, see if it works. Actually, I'm going to go right here. Hopefully that weight of the claw will push him in. Like so. 2 in 1! Nice! Sweet beans. Look, the claw is still going. Oh, almost lifted. Who's your crawdaddy? It says. Nice.
Whoops.
Got a happy bird and a lovebird. Nice. We're all happy today. Fantastic. Oh my god, there's so much gettable. Look, that bunny's probably gettable. I kind of want this guy. He's kind of cool. Oh, there's a seahorse. Should I try for him or who's your crawdaddy? I'll try for this guy first.
He's cute.
Oh, baby. Perfect. Nice. Look at this. 3 in a row, kinda. Yes! Nice beans. Just in time for Easter. Spring. Nice. Fantastic.
You gotta get Who's Your Crawdaddy.
I gotta try for Who's Your Crawdaddy.
He's so cute.
I hope I win him. I can almost lift him up by the thing.
It's kind of weird though. That they might hit that plastic like they do, huh?
No, that's fine though. I'm not really worried about that because it's gonna float. Yeah, that missed him. Come on, get it under his arm. Oh! I probably have to go for his arm. There's a duck. There's a lot of neat stuff in here.
It's a very colorful machine
look,
today.
There's a Garfield in there. It is very Easter themed.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try more for his arm. And see if it just lifts him up by, or maybe this way.
Did Sugarloaf send you any other toys yet?
No. I think in April.
Probably for Easter, not or something. Aw. What the heck was that?
I broke the claw. I'm always breaking this thing.
Terrible.
That actually,
Look at him the way he's laying.
He's like hunched over. I think I could get him though. I'll try one more time for him. So if it spins right is the only thing. Nah. He's in a tough spot. Or I could maybe go for that. You know what? Let's go for Garfield. Go for a licensed plush. Didn't spin right. Oh, maybe it did. Come on, baby. Get down there. There we go. Get him. Get him. Yeah. Oh, God. Yeah, nice. Got Garfield.
Wow. Is it going to let go?
It's not letting it go.
Nah, it will.
You think?
Yeah. See, I just had to tell it to. Nice.
How many is that?
Garfield, no, I got 4 so far. Alright, we have 3 tries. I'm gonna try for the seahorse.
Seahorse.
Right there.
Seahorse.
It's like a colorful seahorse.
Yes, I see the horse.
See the horse? See the seahorse? Deploy claw. I might have him. Come on, baby! Get under his little trunk. Yes! Look at this! Oh. He's now ungettable. We're gonna try for the duck. Come on, baby.
Is the duck a sitting duck?
Oh,
No.
nope. He's a wedge duck. Which is, we don't see a lot of that. Alright, last try. One more try. I'm gonna try for Crawdaddy's arm right here. Come on, Crawdaddy.
Oh my gosh.
Oh wait, it might lift him. No.
On earth is
Alright guys, prizes for the day! Very good day here. This is at a new Sugarloaf machine. Never been to this location before. It was at a Kmart. Piggy's getting very anxious, so I'm gonna let her go before she claws me to death. Ow! She's full of static electricity, by the way. First prize we got is a lovebird from Sugarloaf. One of the, it's the purple one. And this was one of the hardest ones to win, actually, out of the set, but luckily, he was literally right on the edge. All I had to do was lift him up a little bit, and he tumbled in. So we got really lucky with this one, and we got a 2-in-1. He also got this. This is another hard plush, too, because I don't even think that claw fits around this plush. We got a happy bird, and he's real happy. See that? Very nice. Both purple, and they were right on the edge there. I couldn't believe they just tumbled in. Then we got this Easter bunny here, just in time for Easter. He has very weird whiskers. I don't know what's up with that. They're like shoelaces or something. Woo! And finally, very nice licensed plush, we got Spotted Garfield. Total prizes 1, 2, 3, and 4. Thanks for watching.